tiba. Okay, one more time.
Ikan
Lagi sekali.
tidak.
Yes,
Tidak.
tiba. Husna. Ha, tiba. Okay, yang ini. Same one.
Ta.
Tiba.
Ba.
Yes,
Ba. Iba.
Yes,
Te.
betul. Tiba-tiba. Okay, tiba-tiba means suddenly. Apa jadi? What happens?
If people make sound.
Ha, tiba-tiba. Ini apa Husna? Hu.
Hu.
Hu apa ni?
Ja.
Jan. Terus baca.
Jan.
Hu.
Ju. 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 Jun. Jun. Jun.
Hujan. Bukan Jun.
Hujan.
Hujan. Just now you read betul. Hujan. Hujan apa? Hujan means rain. Hujan. This one, last one.
Tu.
Tu.
Ra.
Same one. Dua-dua ada U. Tu.
Tu.
Ada N
Ra.
Ada N. Ru ada N. How to say the word? R-U-N. Run. Okay, baca terus yang ni. Read the word.
Turun. Turun.
Tu. Betul. One more time. Husna. Tu.
Turun.
Yes, turun. Tiba-tiba hujan turun. Okay, means suddenly rain falls down. Falls down. The rain comes. Okay. Just now one and two. Okay. Because I help you, so you are not getting on the big rocket first. After this, you have to read yourself. Okay. Okay. Try this one. Okay. Okay, Husna.
Han. Sa.
Ini dulu.
Man.
A.
Man. Aman.
Husna,
Ba.
Husna. Is this Aman or what?
Ba.
Adik.
Ni. How.
Wait. Stop there. Stop. Okay, this one first. Only the one teacher underline. What is this? E-N.
Man.
Man or what? No, not man. This one got E.
In.
Min. So, kita baca A. Yeah.
Ha.
Amin.
Oh,
Husna. Ah, one more time. Amin.
Bin.
Okay. And then what? This one. Husna, faster. Amin.
Pa.
Ha. Not pa.
Pan.
Are you sure this is pa?
Pau. Pu.
betul. Husna, don't read it longer like that. Only one short word. Pun. Read like that. Pun. Pun. Okay, pun apa?
Tun.
Hmm. Su. Su.
Tu. Tu. Hmm. Ha.
Suka.
Hmm. Hati.
Pandai. Amin pun suka hati. Means Amin is happy. Okay. So last one. Okay. This one. And then we finish our game. Okay, let's change this one. Okay, come. Eh, ha? Alamak, putuslah Husna. Ha?
Ha. Run.
Haran. R-I.
Green.
One more time. Say the word.
Green.
Ri apa depan ni? Ha?
Hari.
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 Mhm. Ini.
Ha- Hari.
Mhm. Hari. This one?
Hari. Ha-
Hmm.
Hari
Ha. Hari ini.
ini.
Husna, don't play with your chair. Sit down properly. This is our last one. And then we finish. Okay, come. Sit down properly. Focus, focus, focus. Come.
Hari
Hari ini.
ini.
Mhm.
Hari.
Okay. Good.
Jadi.
Pandai. Last one.
Man.
If man, this one is A. This one here is E. A.
Ani.
Ya, amin. Okay, hari ini hari jadi amin. Okay, good. So you finish your reading.